big. Me and Pops are going to go after some walleye today and hopefully get into them. We're going to be doing a lot of bottom mounts and using different stuff like minnows and worms and scented plastics. So hopefully we get into something big today. So come along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, we made it to the lake. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Boat's launched, so let's get on some fish. Oh, Pop's got one right quick. Bottom bouncing, he's got the shiner minnow on. I just got to reel in here. I'll try and do it fast. There we go. Set that down. How does it feel?
He's not big. Unless he's coming to the boat, but I don't think so. It's not a super minnow type.
Well, you don't want to come up now.
Maybe a little bigger than I thought. No, it's just regular sized.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's a good start.
That's a good size one.
Yeah, it is. Perfect. Okay. Hold on here. I had to get some stuff out of the way. There we go. Oh, that's not a bad one at all. Oh, still nicely hooked. Yeah, that's a nice first walleye of the trip. Caught by Pops. Okay, let's get him back. The blue assassin. And there he goes. Perfect.
That's one of the best colors in this McGregor.
Yeah, blue. We went over a school of walleye and Pops dropped his bottom bouncer down and got one. Oh, he got off right there. Oh, well. Let's get back to it. Pops hooked another one. How does it feel?
Not big.
Not big? Get a look at him. Now it looks... What do you got there? No, it's a walleye. Yeah.
It's not a big fish.
No, nice one though.
Yeah.
Get him unhooked and released quick here. I'm trying to go for bigger ones, but we're catching some nice ones. I call myself James Guide Service. He unhooks all the fish too. There we go.
Typical size, 18 inch.
Yeah. It's a nice one.
It's a 16 on that one.
Yeah. And there he goes, gone. Perfect. I just lost a big one. Pops hooked one. Jeez, I wish I would have got that one. I got to reel in here. Sorry, reeling in. Oh, my crazy fish is still on there. We got her. That's not a bad one.
Same size.
Yeah.
16, 17.
Just getting walleye after walleye.
Healthy looking.
Yeah, they're nice and fat. That is for sure. He's kind of biting down on that hook. There we go. Another nice one. Fin up and everything. Look at him. Yeah. Oh, self-releasing. There we go. There I got one. That one hit hard. I don't think it's a big fish though. He pretended he was big right away. What's going on here? Oh, not a bad one. I'm using scented plastics. Pop's using minnows. He's beating me quite a bit. This is a little guy. Wow, he hit hard, this little guy. Okay. There you go. Oh, just a little guy. We'll get him back. And there he goes. Gone. There we got one. He's fighting like he's bigger, but I don't think he is. I got, yeah. Can't be big if he ain't pulling drag. There he is. Oh, he's not a bad one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, come on, let me grab you. There we go.
Oh, that's a
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah, nice little walleye. And there he goes. Perfect.
Using plastics again?
Yeah. Okay, we just went over a school of big marks. Yeah, this one's a little bigger. Marked some big fish, but it ain't pulling drag, so it can't be a monstro. Now he's coming pretty. Stand down though. Trying to. What do we got here? Regular sizer. 18-incher. No, he's fighting like he's big, but not a bad one. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab him like that. Easy unhook. Another regular sizer. And there he goes. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. We're just having a phenomenal day. We're using bottom bouncers. I got a scented lures I'm using, and Pops is using minnows. I got about a 4-foot leader to my bottom bouncer. Well, so let's get back to it. There, I got one biting. Got him. Turn the motor off. Oh, this one has weight. Didn't feel big when it hit though. Now he's coming a little too easy for a big fish all of a sudden. What do we got here? Oh, maybe it is a nice one. Yep, it's a real nice one. Whoa, there, that's the size we came after. Whoa, that's a nice one. That's a beauty walleye. Oh, got him. Yeah. Yeah. Unhooked. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Nice. Beautiful walleye. Oh, yeah, nice. Me and Pops have been here for all of about 45 minutes. I think we've caught about 7 or 8 walleye already. Already a great start to the day. Hopefully we keep getting into them. This is awesome. We're on McGregor Lake, so hopefully we get into a big one. There I got one. That one is definitely heavier. Oh, hopefully I keep this one on. It's doing big, big head shakes. And he pulled drag, so that tells me it's a little heavier fish. It feels heavier. I've been wrong before, but hopefully not this time. He's definitely, I don't know, he's definitely staying down. Oh, you don't want to come up, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it's a big, big walleye. Not a monster, but beautiful, beautiful 2-3 pound walleye. Oh, maybe not quite as big as I thought. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, he's skinny, that's why. Beautiful walleye. It's a good 20, 21-inch walleye, but skinny. There he goes, gone. Perfect. Pops up one. Just gonna reel in once again. How does it feel?
Oh, it's not a big fish. That's why you need it like that.
No, it's staying down, so I'd say it's a walleye. Now he's fighting. Maybe it's bigger than you think. Oh, there he's coming up. Oh yeah, that's a nice walleye. There he's down. I don't know if you guys see him. There you go. Yeah, that's a nice one of them long, skinny ones.
Not really too skinny.
No, he's not like sickly skinny. He's nice. He's healthy. He's just not as fat as some of the other ones. Beautiful walleye. Oh man, that hook don't want to come out very much. That's a nice one. Long and skinny. It's Pop's fish. Let's get him back. There he goes. Perfect. We're having a phenomenal morning already. Been here for what, all about 50 minutes now? Crazy. There we got one. That was in 17 feet of water. No, I think it's just a regular size one. It's coming in a little too easy. Yeah. Just a regular sizer. Well, a little bigger than a regular one, but not much. Oh, and he's off. Perfect release. Perfect. And how does it feel?
I don't know. It might be a bit bigger.
That's the problem. I'm trying to record. Reel in. A little bigger.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's got some weight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna reach over and grab that net just in case.
Yeah, this fish is a bit bigger than I thought.
Yeah, definitely. Hopefully it's a 7 or 8 pounder. He's not coming out from under that boat, that's for sure. So that's just about see him. Where is he? He won't come out from under that boat.
No, he's not.
Where is he?
You'll be able to see him now.
I can't see him. He's staying down too.
Not that big, actually.
Let me see.
Just a good, energetic fish.
Oh yeah, no, that's a nice one. Not quite net worthy, but it's a good 2 pounder. Yeah. 2.5 pounder maybe. Yeah. I mean, we've been here for like next to no time. Got a dozen fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh jeez. Oh, it's got me in the gill. There we go. Pops just caught that one. Let's get him back. There he goes. Gone. There we go. One.
Just let melt and then you catch some fish.
Yeah. I don't think it's big. Wow, just fish after fish this morning. What an epic morning. What do we got here? Oh, that's not even that bad of a fish. Not very big. I'm kind of cutting across the lake. Oh. There we go. There, unhooked. Oh, and he just self-released. There he goes. Perfect. What an epic morning on McGregor Lake. How many fish are we at, Dad?
About 14.
14 fish in like an hour and a half. Crazy. Well, using bottom mounts, I was using soft plastics with a scent on them, and Pops is using minnows, and we just had a phenomenal morning. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the episode. Until the next one, get out and fish big.